can be sorted out, the children education can be continued. ये नया नया डिवाइस हमको मिला है, नया नया मेथड मिला है, तो through which even my teachers also not familiar with this, but they work hard, they have taken it as a challenge, they accepted the challenge. I can assure that my teachers provide 100% support to the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajangaon, based on which I am proudly going to announce the result of 2020-21. Now, primary classes, the first year 44 children were appeared, all the 44 were promoted. 1B 45 children were appeared, all the 45 were promoted. 2B 44, 2A also 44, all the 44 children are promoted to next class. Third B again 44, all the students promoted to next class. Third B 41, all the 41 students promoted to fourth class. Fourth A 54, all the 54 children are promoted to next class. And fifth A 63 children were there, they all the 63 promoted to next class. Total in primary 378 students appeared, all the 378 children are promoted to higher classes. The result is 100% in primary section. Congratulations to primary section of Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajangaon, also the parents from primary section. Now coming to the secondary classes, 6th class there are 49 children, 7th there are 50 children, 8th there are 54 children, all these students are promoted to higher classes, next classes. The 9th there are 50 students, all the 50 students were promoted to 10th class. 11th A there are 39 students, all the 39 students are promoted to next class. 11B there are 26 students, all the 26 are promoted to 12th class. Overall there are 268 students appeared in secondary section 6 to 9th and 11th. All the 268 students are passed to higher classes, and the result of secondary section is also 100%. Congratulations to examination in charge, Susri Saini Madam, PGT Physics, and all the members of examination department. Also in primary, Mrs. Jyoti Rangari was handling the exam department. Both the examinations, the in charges and departmental members, I congratulate them. They worked hard and they brought the result in time. And also extend my congratulations to my class teachers who were working round the clock from past 2 days to bring the wonderful result of Kendriya Vidyalaya Rajangaon. In addition to this, few points I want to bring to the parents. One is list of books. It is uploaded in the website. In the list of notebooks, class wise, it is uploaded in the notebook. You can download. Even it is available in the Vidyalaya notice board. Then you can note down. If you have any issues, you can contact the concerned class teacher and you can get the clarification.
WhatsApp maybe, sir.
Then fees payment process will start from 3rd of April. This year also, like last year, now we are coming to know even the Rajangaon also more than 50 cases are coming every day. So now, as per the direction of Assistant Commissioner, we are going to organize online classes till 2nd of May, where our summer vacation starts. Then depends upon the situation, after reopening, after the summer vacation, the regular classes will commence. Then regarding the fees issue, I request all the parents, you see the fees has to be paid. There are other Kendriya Vidyalayas, there are so many issues, but now we have very minimum, very less number of, I can say the decimal percentage of parents are not paid so far. So it is your duty, I seek your cooperation to pay the fees in time. Better if in annually you are paying the fees, you will not face any difficulties. So with these words, once again, I extend my sincere thanks to exam in charge, exam department and class teachers. Even I congratulate the parents who extend the wholehearted support. Even you faced so many hurdles. You are in remote area, you are in other places, but you extended your wholehearted support for providing that internet connectivity to your child, so that we can also do something for them. So with these words, once again, I congratulate all, I congratulate parents, even I congratulate all the students who promoted to higher classes. Thank you. Jai Hind.